Hi friends, this is Ikra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will elaborate the evidence of flash blindness in the Holy Quran. Flash blindness is an either temporary or permanent visual impairment during and following exposure of a varying length of time to a light flash of extremely high intensity, such as a nuclear explosion, flash photograph, lightning strike, or extremely bright light, i.e. searchlight, laser pointer, landing lights or ultraviolet light. The bright light overwhelms the retinas of the eyes and generally gradually fades, lasting anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. However, if the eyes are exposed to a high enough level of light, such as a nuclear explosion, the blindness can become permanent. Couple of decades ago, skeptics claimed that whoever wrote the Quran made a mistake. Lightning cannot cause us blindness. Today scientists confirm that lightning can cause flash blindness. The scientific phenomenon has been discovered recently, however it was portrayed by the Quran 1400 years ago. Quran says in chapter 2 and verse 20, the lightning almost snatches their sight away. Whenever it illuminates for them, they walk in it, but when it grows dark over them, they stand still. Had Allah willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. Allah is capable of everything. In this verse, lightning causes blindness. Today we know that lightning can cause flash blindness. How could an illiterate man who lived 1400 years ago have known about flash blindness? Surely the Holy Quran is the word of Allah Almighty. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.